As an option trader and long-term investor, this stock market activity that occurred last week was highly disruptive and also kind of disappointing for me on so many different levels. Now, as a trader, I recognize that a key component to the overall stock market is volatility. And for those of you, you know what I'm talking about. It's the high and low price movements that sometimes are erratic and occur without basis, but it's that rapid rise and the dramatic fall. Now, I know a lot of non-investors that express their discomfort and agony whenever the market has a large dip or, one of these extended corrections. But as a true investor, I know that the peaks and valleys and the highs and lows are what make the stock market alive and provide the ability for all of us to make money over time. But this past week has been fraught with drama, accusation, thoughts of conspiracy, finger pointing, and a level of distrust never before seen. I've always had my suspicions about the market manipulation, but for me, now they've really been definitively confirmed. And so now what do I do next? Do I just give up and just accept it? Well, not me. Now that I know the rules are one-sided and I know the rules can be changed at a moment's notice to work against us, the retail investor, now that I'm armed with this knowledge, I'm going to work both harder and smarter to fight my way through it and come out of it victorious. And so this week, I'm going to give to you the stocks I'm going to be watching this week as possible plays for option trading. Hi, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I like to share videos about how I'm selling options for income using a simple option trading method. But because I don't have a financial education or a background, I had to find a way that I could work from home and generate a consistent income by selling options for a living. Now, my simple option trading method is not complex or difficult to understand, so I think my videos are a great way to learn trading for beginners. I really hope that my videos help to motivate and inspire 1,000 people to earn $1,000 a month using my simple option trading method. Because how awesome would it be if together we earned $1 million? Think about it. We work together as a group, and I think we can get it done. The 1,000 people, if each of us earned $1,000, that would be $1 million. Let's start with a stock under $50. Now, this first one is one that I've mentioned before, and it's BLNK Charging, stock symbol BLNK. Given the current market conditions, it closed under $50 last week, but I still truly believe this company has a long way to go. And so there's plenty of growth here, and I see it as a great long-term investment. So I'm going to be watching this stock closely to see if it dips a little bit more because I'd like to try and acquire some more shares. When I look at the daily chart for BLNK, there's a couple things I notice right off the bat. First, I see it trading within this range with a lower support line here and then an upper resistance line here. But then I notice that the support line raises up, so now we have higher lows, followed by a breakout above the resistance line, so the price was just starting to climb. And then we started having all the turmoil in the stock market relating to GameStop, AMC, Robinhood, Citadel, and others. So in my mind, BLNK was just a victim of the market conditions and fell unjustly. So I'll be watching BLNK this week. It finished up red and closed down for the week, so now might be a great opportunity for me to take advantage of the price drop and sell a cash secure put while maximizing the premium amount I could get paid. Here's the current option chain I have available for BLNK Charging, symbol BLNK, and I've chosen the February 5th, 2021 expiration date. So the last closing price was $50. If the market conditions continue to look good, and I find the stock on a red day, I'm probably going to consider selling a cash secured put with a $46 strike price, which at the current conditions pays $2.35 per share in premium. Okay, here are the numbers that I'm looking at for symbol BLNK. The current share price when it closed was $50, and I would be considering selling a cash secure put, one contract, and for the strike price, looks to me like it's going to be $46, and for the option premium, I would receive $2.35 per share. So this option collateral, if the shares get assigned to me, I would need to pay $46 per share. So I'll need to reserve $4,600 as my collateral. And if I look at what the discount is per share, the price I'm willing to pay versus what it's currently at, that's a $4 discount. And that $4 represents an 8% discount per share. For the premium, I would receive a total of $235. So that's the $2.35 per share times the 100 shares, and that would get deposited to my account. And the $235, that represents a 5.11 return on my investment of the $4,600. The next stock I'm going to discuss is currently trading under $12 per share. This stock belongs to a company called Vuzix Corporation, stock symbol VUZI. And Vuzix manufactures, markets, and sells augmented reality, so AR, wearable devices and computing devices for consumer and enterprise markets. So the products this So the products the company has are in the form of smart glasses and augmented reality or AR glasses. Its personal display and wearable computing devices offer the wearer a portable viewing experience, and they provide solutions for mobility, wearable displays, and also virtual and augmented reality. So the wearable display devices are worn just like eyeglasses, and they also have models that can be attached to head-worn mounts. So if you're wearing a helmet or something of that nature, these devices can be attached to there. And they typically include cameras, sensors, and a computer that allow the wearer to view, record, and interact with video and digital content, such as computer data, the internet, social media, and other entertainment applications. So if you want to record what you're watching, or if you happen to be in an enterprise or industrial environment where you're working on something, you can use AR to actually show computer-generated overlays on top of the real environment that you're looking at. All right, let's look at the chart for Vuzix, symbol VUZI. And what I noticed right away, it's got a strong support line here at the bottom, and there's a resistance line here, followed by a breakout. And then similar as we saw on the earlier stock, towards the end of the week when we had all that drama, the stock falls victim to the market conditions and drops. So in my mind, this is a case where the stock price dropped just because of the current market conditions, not because of anything fundamentally or technically wrong with the company. It's just a side effect of what happened in the entire marketplace. So I fully expect this stock to rebound. So I plan to be watching this stock this upcoming week, and hopefully I can acquire some shares by selling a cash secure put. But if the price doesn't dip enough, I'll at least be able to capture the premium payment. Here's the current option chain that I have available for Vuzix, symbol VUZI, and I'm looking at the February 19th, 2021 expiration date, so that is 19 days away. Right now, if the market conditions continue to look good and we have a red day, I would think about selling a cash secure put with a $10 strike price and collecting, looks like 93 cents per share as premium. So let me share with you the numbers that I'm looking at for VUZI. The cost per share I saw closed in aftermarket hours at $11.40. Now, I would be considering selling one option contract, one cash secure put option contract, and the strike price I would set at $10, and the premium I would receive would be 93 cents. And so this tells me that for option collateral, I need to reserve $1,000 as my collateral. So that's the $10 per share from my strike price times 100 shares. So if I would reserve $1,000. If the option contract gets exercised and I pay the $10 per share, that's a discount per share of $1.40. So that's the current price of $11.40 minus the $10 I would pay. So that difference of what it closed at and what I'm willing to pay is $1.40. And so that works out to just over 12% discount. And for the premium, I would receive 93 cents per share, but in total, because it's 100 shares, I would receive $93 in premium credited to my account. So that $93 represents a 9.3% return on my investment of the $1,000. If you like the information that I presented in this video and you want to see more videos just like this, please do me a huge favor and smash the like button. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to wish you good luck and lots of success with all of your trades.